Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code in Alight Motion. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your Alight Motion app, and over here you need to simply log in into your account. So here you won't be able to find any of the QR code option because currently Alight Motion doesn't have a built-in QR code scanner, but you can still import QR code presets using a separate QR code scanner app. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to download and install a QR code scanner from Google Play Store or App Store if you don't have one already. Then you need to open this application, and after that you will have to allow the permissions. Then you need to scan a QR code containing the Alight Motion preset. Once it is scanned, you will see a preset link, so you need to simply tap on it and it will redirect you on Alight Motion. If the link doesn't open, you can copy it manually and then you can paste it into your web browser. So when the page load, you need to select open in Alight Motion and the preset will be imported into your project. So it will look something like this. So make sure that you have the latest version of the Alight Motion in order to avoid any compatibility issue. And now it is asking me for a membership as well. So Alight Motion is no longer free. You will have to pay for Alight Motion. So if you are using it already, you will see all of the QR code content over here, which you can use it further. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.